In this video, I will show you how to change your delivery address on Temu. I will show you on desktop and also on the mobile version. So first of all, let's start with desktop version. So let's go to the Temu, let's log into our account, and once we are logged into our account, we need to click our profile in the top right, and right here in the menu we need to find addresses. You need to click on this and you will see your existing address on Temu. You can edit your address by clicking this edit button right here, and you can edit any details in your address, or you can just simply click on delete button and add a new address by clicking this button right here and enter your new address details. So this is how you can do it from your desktop computer or laptop, and now I'll show you how to do it on your mobile phone. So you need to open the Temu on your mobile app, click U in the bottom menu, and right here you need to click on addresses and you will see your address. You can click on edit to edit your existing address, or click add a new address in the bottom and add a new address to your Temu account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.